రామ్మోహన్ నాయుడు కూడా ప్రత్యేక హోదాపై గట్టిగా వాదించారు. పార్లమెంటు సాక్షిగా ఇచ్చిన హామీలు కేంద్రం నెరవేర్చాలని డిమాండ్ చేశారు.
One of the provisions mentioned in the AP Reorganization Act of 2014, Madam, clause 46 subclause 3 states that the central government shall, while considering the special development package for the successor state of Andhra Pradesh, provide adequate incentives in particular for Rayalaseema and north coastal regions of that state. Madam, keeping this clause in mind, the then Prime Minister, while passing the AP reorganization bill on the floor of the Rajya Sabha, Madam, he made an assurance, and I quote what he said, Madam, the bill already provides for a special development package for the backward regions of the successor state of Andhra Pradesh, in particular for the districts of Rayalaseema and north coastal Andhra Pradesh. This developmental package will be on the lines of KBK, Madam, which is Koraput, Bolangir, Kalahandi special plan in Odisha, and the Bundelkhand special package in Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh, Madam. Madam, if you see these two packages, Madam, after they were announced, they've got thousands of crores from the special development package from the central government, Madam. Madam, for the state of Andhra Pradesh, it has been 2 years after it has been bifurcated. What we have been getting is a meager 50 crores per year per district, Madam, which is very, very low. Madam, if you consider the difference between the package, because it clearly states that the special development assistance would be similar to the ones given to the KBK and the Bundelkhand package, Madam, but it is nowhere close. The difference is as much as peanuts and pumpkins, Madam. 50 crores, it is nowhere. We are not able to do anything. The seriousness of the backwardness, the seriousness of this issue, Madam, for the Uttarandhra, which comprises of Visakhapatnam, Vijayanagaram and Srikakulam, which is my district, Madam, they are so backward that in 1972 also on this very floor of the house, the backwardness of this issue was being discussed. Madam, even today, out of the 13 districts in Andhra Pradesh, Srikakulam stands the lowest in terms of per capita income, in terms of GDP. Madam, infant mortality rate is very, very high. Agricultural land, Madam, in Uttarandhra, it is 24 lakh hectares. Cultivable land is there, Madam. Only 8 lakh hectares we are able to irrigate today. Madam, if the central government is not able to help us, there is no way that our state is going to develop, Madam. Madam, previously